This is good for reading and listening as well. Again, this is for higher level students, but it would be good to actually use this for kids, so they can be aware of them. The lessons below: liaison, elision, reduction, are some of the reasons many ESL learners have difficulties understanding spoken English, even if they have studied English for a while. 1. Liaison. Liaison happens when the sounds of words are linked together in a sentence. Words don't always sound the same as when you read them one by one. Linking words makes English sound smooth and natural. 2. Elision. Elision happens when some sounds or letters are not pronounced. Native speakers often skip sounds to speak faster and easier. 3. Reduction. Reduction happens when words are spoken quickly with fewer sounds, making them shorter and simpler in a sentence. I can't emphasize this enough. Intonation is very important when using these rules, as we've mentioned in the previous video. If you don't intonate, it's better to pronounce each word clearly. Let's get an in-depth understanding of each, one by one. Ready? Go to the next video.